Welcome everyone. I am Ankit Agrawal. I am the Technology Director in Edumilestones. In this video, I am going to show you the demo of our Eduabroad CRM. Well, this CRM is ultra customized for education consultancy, study abroad companies, India admission companies and immigration companies. So in this video, I am going to show you what are the different functionalities available in our CRM and how you can manage your business using this CRM. Well, the biggest USP of this platform is this CRM will work a way you want your CRM to work. Okay. Now, before starting, couple of outlines. This entire CRM will come, in white label structuring. When I'm saying the white labeling, it means throughout the platform, it will display your URLs. It will display your company names in the URLs, your branding throughout the platform. Okay. This entire platform is divided in three pieces where there will be the master CRM who will be having the maximum control. Second, you can create a unlimited CRM. So if you are having the hierarchy of multiple branches, employees or agents, you can create a multiple sub CRMs you can create within the platform. There is no limit of the sub CRMs front. Okay. So straight away, I'm going to start this demo. So I'm going to start with master CRM. So this is how your master CRM looks like. It will ask for login ID and password. I am just doing the login ID, login. Okay. Now once I have done the login, okay, this is how your initial dashboard looks like. So the first step of this CRM is you need to define your process, right? Once you define the process, it will show you the critical factors in your dashboard, how it need to be done. You need to go to the settings and under settings, it will ask for the lead settings. Now under lead settings, one time what you need to do is you need to define your entire process. From a time lead is coming and whatever process your leads are following, entire process you need to sketch over here, like not interested. Okay, then comes profiling done. Okay, then will come your documents pending, documents submitted. So whatever your process is there, application submitted. So the entire process need to be defined over here and then press submit. Once you press submit, immediately down you can see the entire process is sketched over here, and whatever critical indicators are there, you just need to make it yes, all the indicators. Once you do this thing and you go back to your CRM, you can see your entire dashboard is customized for your process. Whatever indicators you have defined over here, like documents pending, submitted, so documents pending, documents submitted, application submitted, offer letter received, visa process started. So you can customize this entire CRM over here. Okay, this is first part. I'll go in the detailing in a while. The second part is there's a sub CRM settings. I'm sure you must be you must be having lot many employees, agents, branches, or some hierarchy must be there within your organization. So the first step is you need to onboard all your agents, employees or branches within the platform. Very simple. You just need to click on add new, right? Write the name like branch 2 or employee name, employee user ID. Okay. I'm just creating one dummy. Okay, password, and if it's internal employee, you need to select the first one, internal employee. If it's an agent, you need to select the agent, so that some controls will be given to them, and then press submit. So once you do this thing, okay, so what will happen, immediately below you can see the platform is created, sub CRM is created. So all your branches, agents, employees, they'll be having their own sub CRM with the limited control. Okay, where you can see all the files or all the leads, but they can see only their files or their leads. So in that case, you can create a unlimited CRM. Now the next step comes, once you create the CRM or you create the sub CRM, right? Now there is some hierarchy is there within your company. Say for example, there are 4 agents. All the 4 agents reports to one salesperson, okay, or one representative. Or there are the 5 employees. they report to one branch. So what you need to do within the system is you need to create the hierarchy. You need to click on the triggers, add new, is a sub CRM based trigger, and you need to define, say for an example, this agent 1, agent 2, okay, both they report to branch 1. Okay, similar way you can create the hierarchy and add the trigger. This is a one-time configuration you just need to do within the platform. I hope this point is clear. After that, what will happen is you can go back to your dashboard. Here you can see the entire process, and you can see how many files or how many leads are falling under which stage, total profiles, documents under review, follow-up, recommendations given, documents pending, submitted, application submitted, one offer letter received, visa process started. All these things will be shown as per your process within the dashboard. Okay, now let's start from the beginning, how to add the lead and how a lead will follow the entire journey. It's a very simple step. A person just need to click on the add lead. Okay, once you click on the add lead, to add a lead in a platform, there are multiple options are there. Either lead can be added one by one, name, email, phone, location, and from which source this lead has come, whether it has come from the Facebook, direct walk-in. So in this way you can add the lead. Or if you're having the bulk leads, so simple, there is a bulk upload option is there, using which you can upload the bulk leads within the platform. Not only these two ways, there are multiple other ways also available within the platform. You can insert the leads over here. Like we can also provide you the API, so that if you are having your own website through which leads will straight away come in the CRM. Or I'll show you in a while, in our platform you can create multiple forms, you can create a multiple landing pages or the campaign pages within the platform itself, so that all that leads also will come in a CRM. So this is an integrated lead management system where all the leads will fall under a single CRM over here. Now once the lead is inserted, okay, then you can find a drop down. Now whatever stage this lead is falling under, right, your representative can define the status over here. Like as of now, this lead is coming under the follow-up. Just click on the follow-up, immediately one pop-up will come. Okay, as of now lead is in the follow-up, so which date system should remind you. So from here you can define or you can select a date, like on 31st system should remind me, and you can write over here your remarks. Student need to give documents. Okay, and for your reference, this is a document related task I am setting for me. If this is something that you want to communicate to the student also, click on the send email, so that student will also be notified. If this is only for your internal reference, don't click on the send mail, just click on add task. Simple. Once you click on the add task, immediately system will show one task is created for this candidate, and it's on 31st 8. System need to remind you on a task. Okay, once you click what's the task, you can see this is the task that system need to remind you. Now here there's a tag structure is also integrated within the platform. Say for example, look at the other lead, Nitin. Okay, this is other candidate, and this task I supposed to do on 19/7/2022, right? Now so far nobody has attended this task. So here it will show how many days this task is. So this task is already 32 days delay. So whatever delays tasks are there will be highlighted in the platform with the red icon. Key, this is already crossed the tag. It's a 32 days delay. This task is there. Okay. If you want to filter upside, you can also define the days delay. Show me all those tasks that is more than 10 days delay. Just write 10 over here and click on the filter. So system will filter and show you all those tasks that is around 10 days delay. All this will be shown within the system. Now this is a lead added. Now you need to do multiple work apart from the task creations or the reminders. Lot of work you need to do on this file. Okay, how all this work will be done? Here you will find one option, actions. Just click on the actions. Now the first step is you need to get details of the student. So that's the first thing, that's the profiling. So under profiling, right, so we are having some default forms, like whether student is looking admission for the bachelor's, master's or doctoral. Say for example, this student is selecting the master's, can select the master's, and this is a default form what we have created, like preferred intake, combined score in the 10th class, 12th class, and you can see all this form, right? If you want to customize your own form, okay, you can customize the own form. So under the settings, we have given the option abroad questions, where you can go over there and you can design your own form, okay, for the bachelor's, master's and the doctoral. You can create the question, okay, like preferred intake, okay, and this answer you want student should give as a radio button, and you can give the options over here. So in this case, you can design your own form also. If you are having your own form, you can design it, or you can give to us one time, we'll configure and give it to you, right? So coming back, so in this way, student can fill the form, okay, or counselor can fill the form. If counselor want student to fill the form, upside one email option is there. Just click on this mail sent to the student. Automatically student will receive one email with a link where student can also fill this entire form, and counselor can view this form from here, right? Once this entire form is filled, okay, I'll show you how it looks like. Now say for an example, I'll take one student where form is already filled, okay. Let's take this student. Now for this student, you can see profiling, one form is already filled. Now once form is filled, you can see all the details over here in the form. Apart from that, upside you can find one more tab will be activated, that's a report. Now once you click on the report, system will show you the entire report over here, whatever details student has feeded, right? All these are captured in a form of a file, in a form of a PDF. You can also click on the download PDF, and it will give you the PDF file of this profiling basically, okay. So first step is the profiling, where student or counselor can fill the entire details of a student. Next comes the documents. Now under the documents, so we are again having a default checklist where a student can upload all his documents, right? If you want to tailor-made this checklist, under the settings option is given where you can create your own document checklist. Now here either the student, counselor, agent, anyone using their panel, they can upload the documents over here, right? So upload file, and it will ask the file, and documents can be uploaded. If there are more documents, upload other documents, and all the documents will be maintained within the one platform. So here documents can be uploaded. Now after the documentation, right, next things comes on the recommendations, where counselor would like to give certain recommendations to the candidate. Now here we have given multiple options based on your requirement. You can pick the option. Like one option we are having where we do have a centralized library, where counselor can search the colleges, like I am searching for data science, show me data science colleges in UK, and immediately below it will show me the colleges, where I can just click on add milestone, as simple as that, okay. And all these colleges are added and suggested to the candidate. Same are also documented in a student profiling. Now here you can see his profiling, and these are the colleges shortlisted for this candidate. If you don't want our library and you are having your own tie-ups and your own what is called colleges tie-ups you are having, you can create your own college finder also. You can upload in Excel or one by one all the colleges over here. In that case, our library will be removed, and in that case it will show only within your tied up colleges, and only within your colleges it will show. So you can create your own course finder also within the platform. If none of these things and you want to give the recommendations on the fly, then add other recommendations, like you just give in an email or multiple things. So here you can just give the recommendations, like I wanted to give these are recommendations to the candidate like Humber College or Seneca College, and you can just keep on giving the recommendations to the college to that particular candidate. But this will not be added in the depository, this will be related to that particular candidate, okay. Like on the fly also you can just at the colleges, okay, over here, or whatever, like you want to share some links, you wanted to curriculum, whatever you want to do, you can just keep on type over here. It will be saved under the recommendations given to this candidate, right? There is one more way certain companies ask us, so we have given over here applied universities, where once the colleges are shortlisted, right, not necessarily all the colleges will be applied, right? So finally, whatever colleges are shortlisted or you have written, that will also come in a form of template. You can write over here which intake they are looking for the admission and all these things, the comments, and from here also it can click on the apply, right? So system knows among these 10 shortlisted colleges, these are the colleges are applied, okay, that also will be saved in the system. So in this way the recommendations can be managed, so you know any given moment of time for this student what are the colleges recommendations or what are the colleges we have applied for which intake, which country, which city, which course. So all this information will be handy for each and every student, or in later on if a student is doing the deferment, that also will be recorded over here, right? So in this way recommendations will be given, all these recommendations. Now I am moving a very important point. Now if you are a company where you are interacting with multiple agents or you are interacting with multiple referral partners and all these things, as I have shown in the starting, you can create a multiple sub CRM. Now what will happen is they may ask you, your agents may ask you certain questions, or you want to communicate something to them. So it's very simple. Below we have given a communication tool, that's a start communication. Just click on the start communication and whatever you want to write, like these are the colleges for you, colleges for your candidate, or whatever you want to communicate, you just communicate over here, like Humber College, all these things, okay, and press send. As simple as that. So in their dashboard automatically this message for this candidate will start reflecting. Same way, if they wanted to communicate something to you, they can also communicate to you. That will come over here and it will show there is one query for this candidate agent has posted. So seamlessly you, agent, or multiple stakeholders, right, can interact on that file on a real time in the platform, except student. If you want to include student also, you can click include student, or if that communication is only for selective person, you just select the selective person. So it's like a very good tool where in this communication board we have bring all multiple stakeholders together and where seamlessly all they can interact. System will also check when you have posted the message whether other person has read the message or not. How? If any agent or any person is sending you a communication, right, so once you're opening a dashboard, immediately it will flag over here one unread communication. Like for some candidate, somebody has posted certain query to you, and once you click on unread communication, like for Nitin, there is a one unread message. Let's see what's the message once you click on the Nitin. So this is the communication message. You can see over here for the Nitin. So what will happen over here is seamlessly interactions can take place, okay. Not only this thing, what we have done in the platform is we have also integrated Gmail. Gmail is integrated within the platform, your Gmail. There's a Gmail sync. Once you click on the Gmail sync, your Gmail will open up where from your email ID mails can be sent or mails can be read. So whoever has opened their CRM, they just need to type one time their Gmail email ID and password, and their Gmail will be synced within the CRM only. So mails or WhatsApp also you can send from your email ID and WhatsApp from your number. That's again integrated. So communication you can do multiple ways between the platforms, and whenever you are sending the communication, that respective stakeholder will also receive an email on that front, and they can also, once they're opening the CRM, immediately in the CRM it will be flagged unread communication, right? So task management, documents management, profile management, what is called all these things can be done from the system. If you want to raise an invoice, so we are having the invoice generating system also within the platform, where platform itself you can generate the invoice, okay. So that also is there within the platform. Now let's move next. See, certain cases, see what happened, this file is entered within the CRM, right? Now there are companies who deals with multiple products, or sometimes they give files to the multiple other companies also. Like some files they do themselves and some files they transfer to some other companies like Eduabroad or some other companies. And what they wanted to do, this company, is they want to tag that file to whom they have given this file. So what you need to do, one time you need to create the tags. Like one time I have created a tag like IELTS non-tied up university, or I can create one tag, say for example Eduabroad, or multiple tags I can create. Now once tags are created and you want to link certain file to a tag, simple, like this Nitin profile you are giving to one company for one country for one course. Click on the tags and from here just select this file you are giving to the Eduabroad, and this student is also interested for the IELTS, right? That's it. Add tags. So what will happen, this profile, these two taggings are done. So next time if you want to see how many files are given to respective stakeholder or for that product, if you are having multiple product, you can filter from here. Okay, how many applications I have given to Eduabroad, just select the Eduabroad and filter. It will show you how many files are given. There is one file that's given, or how many students are also interested for the IELTS training, and press filter. So in this way you can, it's a wonderful functionality where on the fly, if you are having multiple products, services, countries, or multiple things, your own process, one file you can tag it to multiple things. It can be to whom you are giving that application or which country, so that you can filter all these things on the fly. So that is there in the CRM. Moving next, as I mentioned to you, students can upload the documents, or counselor can upload the documents. So once the documents are uploaded, immediately you can see there is a one column in your dashboard, documents under review. It will show as of now, because there is no document upload, so that's the reason it's showing under review document 0. But otherwise, let's upload one document for a candidate, and I would like to show you how it looks like. Actions, and for this candidate I'll just see if one document I can upload and show you. Okay, so I'm just uploading one document. Okay, say once anybody is uploading the document, okay, first it will show the date and time when this document is uploaded, and it will come to a company, and there they need to either approve it or they need to request for the need re-uploadation. If they are not doing so, it will show how many students documents are under review. Okay, so there is a one student documents are under review, he has uploaded the document, but so far you have not approved it. You can see from the drop down also how many documents are under review, total how many students documents you have received it, and total how many students documents are fully completed, it's like approved documents. So all these things also you can see within the CRM, right? Now as I have shown in this CRM, now whatever work you are doing on a file, if you want to see the entire history, say for example I have done from a day lead has come till now, I have done lot of work on this file. I wanted to see the entire history and the tag, like what are the work is done and how much time it took for each and every task on this candidate. Simple, again the same tab only, actions, and once you open it, by default it will show you the entire history. Okay, let me see one record where probably data is more. Just 1 second. Okay, actions. Okay, so you can see from a day this has come, it will show you the entire history over here. From a day lead has come till now, whatever work has done. You can export this entire thing in a form of the report also, in the CSV format also. The entire history can be exported. It will show with a tag because this is done on time. That's the reason it's showing it was not delayed. Otherwise it will also show every task, whether it was done on time or how many days this task was delayed. So with the tag, the entire thing will be shown within the platform, right? It's interesting. Okay, so now moving to the next thing. Now see, if any given moment in time, now these are the stages, right? Like documents under review, recommendations given, documents pending, submitted, application submitted. If you wanted to see, okay, show me all the application stages based on the TAT. Show me the status on the files where all the files are say 2 days delayed. Okay, so let's see 2 days delayed, how many files are falling under stages. Okay, once I put, first let me just do the clear filter because some other filters are also there. Now I'll put 2 days delayed and filter. So basically it will show you, so there is one offer letter received, it's 2 days delayed. Okay, remaining there is no delayed task under the different stages. So basically based on the TAT, it will define you under every stages, show me all that events or tasks that's 2 days delayed. So as of now there is nothing, only one offer letter is 61 days delayed. Okay, so in this way it becomes very simple for you to manage the entire TAT within the platform seamlessly. You can manage it off, right? So on fly you can see all the TATs. Now moving the next very important functionality that comes for the automations. If you are having a company where there are different departments follow the different process, say for example there is a counselor who will provide the counseling, then there is a documentation department who will just do the documentation and application submission, and there is a third department who will do the visa, right? So what you can do in a platform, you can do the automations. How you can do the automations? Go to the settings, again to the triggers, and under triggers you can set over here status based trigger. Okay, what does it mean? Whenever counselor completed their counseling, like whenever counselors say all the documents are submitted and I have approved all the documents, immediately transfer that file to this department. You can write the department's names over here and add trigger. So what will happen once the counselor approved all the documents? Yes, all the documents are uploaded. They don't need to manually transfer the file from one department to other department. If they want manual transfer, that also they can do it off. Otherwise, if there's a set process, they can just set one time. Whenever I select documents submitted, automatically transfer that file to that particular department and then add trigger. So things will happen automatically. If they forget also to transfer, system will automatically transfer. If counselors don't want to do automatic transfer, manual transfer, still they can do it off. Just select that file, okay, click on the forward and select the department, which department they want to forward. Okay, in that case also they can forward. Now ultimately what will happen is down the line there are multiple stakeholders are working on that file. So whatever stakeholders are assigned to that file, only they can see that file, others cannot see that file except the master. Now if I want to see who are the people working on the Nitin file, just click on here. I can see these are the people who are working on 4th July. Sunil is my agent who gave this file, started working on. Then from my company side on 22nd July, this person started working on this file, and 22nd July this is other person who started working on this file, right? So in this way you can see who are the stakeholders responsible and working on that particular file, that you can see from the platform itself, right? So this kind of automations you can do it off. Okay, then moving quickly on the other points, you can also do the payouts management. How you can upload all your payouts in one go. Okay, and so what will happen if you want to give the access of your tie-ups to your partners also, they can also see what are the company tie-ups you are having, right? Now what will happen is, now you may ask one question to me, ki, say for example here we are uploading the actual sheet of the payout what we are receiving, but we don't want to show the actual sheet to our partners because we are having arrangement whatever we are getting, say we are getting 10% and we are having tie-up with them saying that whatever payout we are receiving you will get the 70% of that. So ideally in my CRM it should show 10%, in their CRM it should show 7%, and system should automatically calculate. Yes, possible. So what you need to do is, so when you are creating the sub CRM for your agents, okay, say for example for this is agent 1, go to the settings. If you don't want to show them payouts at all, okay, then by default it will be no, they cannot see the payouts at all. If you want to show them also your tied up universities, make it yes, and here you define the percentage, say for example 70%, and submit. So what will happen, system will automatically calculate Okay, so in your CRM, whatever percentage or flat amounts is reflecting, system will automatically calculate 70% and will start showing in their CRM. So it becomes very easy for you, isn't it? Then when you're creating the sub CRM for your agent, right, you can also control their sub CRM. You can also block certain functionalities for them. Say for example, you don't want to show all the boxes, all your process to them, right? So whatever process you want to show to them, just select that process. Remaining process they cannot see at all in their CRM, right? So in this way, and there are some other things also. You can block the recommendations, you can block the status view for them, and multiple things you can control for your agents over here, right? So that way, complete payouts management you can do within the platform, right? Coming to the next functionality, we are having the different MIS also. That's a MIS graph. You can see over here, if you want to see any given moment of time or the duration, like 12 months, how many applications we have received, right? You can see over here put together June 3, July 4, August 0, number of applications you can see, or how many recommendations are given for these 3 months time. Because I have selected here 3 months, you can select 1 year also or 2 months also. You can select from into duration. So let's see in 2 years duration how many leads I have got it. So I'll just select the total leads in these months and press search. Okay, so it will show me the leads. So based on that, you can create your own MIS also. By default, it will show the entire MIS, or if you want to see any selected branch wise MIS or employee wise MIS or agent wise MIS, you can select these things and you can search from here also, and based on that also you can see all the MIS over here. And if you want to export the MIS also, you can export the MIS also from here, right? So simple. So these things you can do from here. All the invoices you can see over here, right? If you're having the invoice structure something like this, where half amount is collected now, half amount will be collected after 5 months, so that also you can configure, and system will be keep on reminding you on the due date. Okay, so that thing is also available within the platform. Now quickly I am highlighting, not in too much detail, but quickly I am highlighting some other functionalities also. I am sure many of you must be knowing about the forms for the lead generations, like Cognito forms or Google forms and all these things. So in this platform also, if you want, you can create the forms. You can create an unlimited forms over here. You can design the forms over here a way you want, add questions and define the forms, and you can publish the forms. These forms, if you want, you can integrate with website also in embedded code, or if you want to use as a independent link, just copy and you can open. So basically questions I have not uploaded. Once you are uploading the questions over here, okay, you can create the forms also. I'll just show you quickly, just give me a moment in a while. Okay, so if I'm just going back, you can add questions and create questions like your name, email, single line, whatever you want to add on, you can add on over here. Is it a mandatory field, not mandatory field? Enter question, what is your name? Okay, you can create a condition also every time this question should come, or if somebody is saying yes, then only this question should come. So lot many customizations are possible. This is the sequence 1. Okay, so in this way you can create the forms, and once I click on the form settings and just see, now one field must have added over here, right? What is your name? So in this way you can design your own forms, and whatever leads are coming in that form, it will show over here how many people have filled, like 0 entries, 10 entries, 20 people have filled this form. So all that leads will come again in the centralized lead management system. So in that case you can create as many as forms you want and can bring all the leads in a single platform. One more thing, many of you must be creating the landing pages. So in the same way, if you want to design the landing pages within the platform, you can create and design the entire landing page over here. And if you are designing a landing page for particular salesperson, ki whatever leads are coming on this landing page should automatically go to particular sub CRM. You can select from here. If anybody is filling the form on this landing page, should go to Sunil and submit. So in that way, customizations you can do over here, and once you click on the view, okay, you can see the entire form or the entire page you have created. In fact, you can go for the ultra customizations also, where you can define the location based lead distribution system also, where you define in the platform, if lead is coming from the UK, then go to this team. If lead is coming from India, should go to this team. If lead is coming from Bangalore, should go to this person. If lead is coming from say Delhi, then should go to this branch. So all that location based automations also you can do within the platform under the triggers, right? So it's an interesting. So in that case, you can do that also in the platform. You can also do within the platform the emailer automations. Say for an example, you can design the template, or you can design the welcome email, like if any lead come, then this welcome email should go to this person, and multiple configurations in which case email should go. Or if any student is uploading or counselor is uploading the document, then automatically this person should also receive an email, that you can do. Or if you want, you can design the templates also, standalone templates also you can design within the platform, like add template. Okay, you can write the subject and template name. You can write over here design and publish, where you can click on the design, okay, where unlayered designing tool is integrated, where you just click over here, it will take you to the designing tool, where you can design the entire what is called the template. And once it's designed, you can click on the publish. You can check the test email and you can publish. So in this way also you can design the templates, and you can define this stages, okay, which stage this emailer should go. You can also do automation based on the task, right? This is status based. If any student says, or if whenever counselor changes the status, like application submitted, then immediately email should go to the agent, student, or to whomsoever you want to send an email, like for this candidate applications are submitted. They can see in their CRM, their dashboards also. But apart from that, based on the automations, based on the stages application is passing through, you can automate the emailers also within the platform, right? So all that things are available. You can also see the disk space over here within the platform, right? What's the disk space that's used, how much document disk space is used, how much database you have used, and how much total disk space you have used. So by default, we do provide up to 5 GB of disk space. Within that, you can use the platform unlimited. That's a huge data, because this is saved in the zip order in the server. But if this much space is consumed, then you can buy the extra space from our platform and you can use it off. This entire platform comes in a SaaS settings, where it's in plug and play kind of a CRM, where any given moment of time, when you are just doing the pointing, within the 3 working days, this entire platform will be configured, okay, for you. And this will come with multi-layers database security, like firewalls will be installed within the server, so that only authorized person can access it off. It comes with the SSL securities. It will come with the private networking to the application and database. It will come with the SSH protocols. It will come with the encrypted data that will be saved within the servers. So all the basic and the advanced security measurements are taken care of to protect your data within the server, right? Apart from that, there are multiple other security norms and the algorithms are put. If somebody is doing the spammings, or system will automatically go in the sleep mode for a while, it will block it for 24 hours. So that automatic measures are taken care of. If any unwanted activities are happening, system will automatically show the alert in the platform, okay, or unauthorized person if using it off. So all these things are taken care of. Now what I have shown to you as of now is a counselor's dashboard. I am not going to multiple other functionalities, but prima facie these are the functionalities available within the platform. Now I'll quickly show you from the student link also. Apart from the CRM, all your counselors, your master CRM, your agents will also be having the student link. I'll show you quickly how that looks like. Okay. So in this way, all of them will receive a student link where a student can create their account over here. They can do the documents uploadations, they can do all these things they can do from the platform. Student can do the documents uploadation, students can do the profiling, right? Student can see all the communications over here. Apart from that, we also have connected the SOP maker. Now what this SOP maker is, I just need to create one account. I'll show you quickly. Say I'm creating an account, Sunil Demo @yahoo.com. Just give me a while. Okay. Meanwhile, there is one more important functionality. If one person is doing the registration again, then system do also check the duplicacies, and system will club all that things under the one file. Okay, so that duplicacy check, in the real-time duplicacy check also system do it off, and showing the history also how many times the student has filled the leads. So basically here you can see over here, first thing is student can also fill the profiling form. Okay, student can also upload his documents over here based on your checklist. Okay, so it will display your logo. If you want your agent's logo should come in their URL, so for you it will show your logo, for your agents it will show the agent's logo. If you want it should come the agent's URL, so that also is possible. Okay, so basically if you want to keep the URL neutral, say for example your agents, when they are giving to their student, they don't want to show your company URLs, right? So that also can be controlled. Okay, and then comes the SOP maker, where SOP maker students or agents can use of this SOP maker and can get done the SOP like university name, say for example Humber College. I'm just doing one example, global business. Okay, looking for say management course, graduation level, start your first SOP. System will automatically throw certain questions that student need to give the answers, like write about your interest, your academic background, your schooling, because this is for the bachelor's part, your extracurricular activities, why you want to pursue this course, why you like this course, why you like this university. All these things structure will come, and for every structure, every question, system will also give the tips how basically you should write the answer of this particular question, right? Right hand side, system will calculate your SOP score, how good SOP you are writing. Above 70 is considered as a good score. System will also check the spelling mistakes and all these things, and after that you can click next and publish your SOP, your PDF SOP with proper formatting, proper alignment, proper university names. It will be published. Okay, and in this way you can create a multiple SOPs. If you want to create 4-5 SOPs, create new. If you just want to copy the previous SOP and just want to change the names, that also you can do under the SOP makers, right? So in this way, student interface also will be received where it can be done. So just let me summarize this entire platform. So what are the key solutions we are giving within this platform? We are providing a white labeling. This is a SaaS solutions we are providing within the platform. Unlimited sub CRMs you can create within the platform, unlimited files or unlimited profiles you can manage up to the 5 GB, and obviously then after that you need to upgrade to more files, you need to upgrade to more GBs. You can create end-to-end file management, you can do task management, you can do documentations management, you can do calendaring, you can do within the platform. Tagging, if you are having a multiple products, you can use the same CRM for your multiple products or services, or multiple agents management you can do. So all these things you can manage within the single platform, you can manage it off. This is the last thing that I forgot, I just wanted to cover quickly on that part. As I have shown to you, this is an integrated platform. By default, this is how your CRM looks like, but there is a team who is reporting to you. At branch level, there is a team. Master can see all the branches and entire team, or agent can see only his. So automatically system, based on the hierarchy, system will show to you your team members over here who are reporting to you. By default, it will show you all the data, but if you are interested to see your reporting person data, say I wanted to see how many files agent 1 has given, just press agent 1 and press filter. So it will show you only that person data, it will show to you only that specific data also to you. So in that case, multiple sub CRMs will be integrated based on hierarchy to your CRM, right? So this is what I wanted to show quickly, in this demo. If you are having any other question, any other scenario that probably I have missed out or I have not covered in this video, so you can either mail it to me to my email ID Ankit ankit@edumilestones.com. You can mail it to me, or you can contact to our company, to any of the business consultant. They will also arrange a demo for you, and they will also understand your scenarios and try to map it, this scenario, based on your process. Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.